Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by giving N8n permission to talk to Google Sheets. Create a Google Cloud project, enable the Sheets API, and generate OAuth 2. 0 credentials. Download the JSON and keep client ID and client secret handy. Once done, share the specific sheet with the service account email or invite your OAuth user as editor so N8n can read and write. This avoids permission errors later and ensures N8n can authenticate seamlessly when you configure the node. Next, configure credentials inside N8n. In Credentials, add a Google Sheets OAuth 2 entry and paste client ID and client secret from the JSON. Make sure the redirect URI in Google Console matches N8n's callback URL, otherwise authorization will fail. Click Authorize and complete the interactive OAuth flow so N8n stores a refresh token. Once authorized, test the connection to confirm N8n can list spreadsheets. This step links authentication. Finally, build the workflow. Add a Google Sheets node, select the credentials you created, then pick the spreadsheet and range or sheet name. Chain triggers or a cron node to automate reads and writes, and map outputs to other nodes for processing. If you encounter errors, make sure scopes include Sheets and Drive, confirm the sheet is shared correctly, and refresh or reauthorize credentials. Recheck the redirect URI and inspect logs to resolve authentication or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.